Well, hi y'all, it's your native Flor-xan, and tonight's supper, barbecue shrimp. So hang in there and let's get into it. We got some head-on Gulf shrimp that we're going to take and go ahead and remove the heads, peel the shrimp, because I don't like having to do that while I'm eating. I just want to eat. So that's how we do it. I know typically barbecue shrimp, you cook them with the shells on in the sauce that you make, but I don't do it that way. And so we're going to keep the shells, make a shrimp stock, and put that back in there so that we keep that flavor. So we're just simply gonna pinch the heads off. If you do it right, you'll get that vein. Then we're gonna take our toadfish shrimp sheller thingy. Now I'm not associated with them, but I do like this product. We're just gonna run that through there. Peel that shell off and it's nice and clean. Alright, so we got our shrimp. We kept all of our shrimp heads and shells. Let's make a shrimp stock. Okay, so we're going to take our shrimp shells and heads and all that stuff and get it down in our pot. Add 4 cups of water. Bring this up to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer. And let it sit like that for about 30 minutes or so, and let's get all that flavor cooked out of these shells. Alright, so I just shut the pot off. We've been simmering here for about 30 minutes. I think we've gotten all the goodness that we're going to get. So I'm going to take and strain this into a bowl, put it into a container, let it cool down. Alrighty, time to get started. So we're going to get our little stove going here. I got some just plain old bacon grease. We're going to go probably a good tablespoon of that. Let that start melting down. Alright, now that that's melted down, we're going to add half a bell pepper, half of a medium onion, and I got some tasso. Now if you're not familiar with tasso, tasso is just a Cajun seasoned smoked pork, normally made from like pork shoulder, and it adds good flavor to stuff like this. Most of the recipes for barbecue shrimp I see do not use tasso, but how I learned to make it, they use tasso, so I use tasso. Okay, our vegetables are softened up. Now I'm gonna add a couple of cloves of garlic. Alright, next we're going to go in with a cup of our shrimp stock that we made. Let that start coming up to a boil. Alright, so stock is boiling a little bit. I'm going to start off, I'm going to add just a little splash of some Chardonnay, a good healthy squeeze of some tomato paste. If I was going to guess, probably about 2 tablespoons. Some washer sauce. Then I'm going to add a little hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce you want to use. I just happen to have my homemade daddle sauce. Then I got some Claymore Cajun seasoning. I talked about them in the past. They're a veteran-owned company. They've got a lot of good seasonings, so check them out. Stir all this in, get it nice incorporated. Get that tomato paste, incorporate it real well, and then we'll add our shrimp. We're going pretty good. I'm going to add the juice, a half a lemon. So we got this back up to a simmer, everything incorporated. I'm going to start dropping our shrimp in. Give them a stir. So I got my fire on a low heat. We're just going to cover that for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll take a look at our shrimp and see how done they are. Okay, so our shrimp have cooked probably about 5 minutes in our juice here, and I just kind of want to show you how nice and white they are. They're looking good, so we're going to turn this off. Got a few chives, we're just going to put them down in there, and then a little bit of chopped parsley. We'll give this a little bit to cool, and then we'll try one of them out. Alright, so our shrimp have cooled a little bit. Let's give one of them a try here. Man, that is good, good, good. Take this, and this is why I like to peel them first, because you can take this, put them on top of some rice, even put them on top of some mashed potatoes if you want, or maybe a little bit of pasta and eat it like that. Make you a great, great dinner. So, thanks for watching. Thanks to all you subscribers out there. We'll see you on the next one.